Rating gas station snacks.
Hey. Today, chat, we're gonna be ranking American gas station snacks. Maybe I'll try some biker. Probably gonna go to like a Wawa or something and just try and get like just a bunch of snacks. But yeah, we're gonna go right
now.
Hello, people of the world. We're going to Wawa right now. Yes.
Yes.
All right, we're going to Wawa right now. We're driving. As you can see, I'm one of the top 1% drivers in the state of Florida, ranked. Okay, she's just sitting there looking pretty.
Exactly.
You're so funny. What's the nigga looking at me for? Nigga, you want to smoke? Hey, look though, chat. We at the building. You know what I'm saying? I look, you parked in the middle, chat. Look, the goddamn. Ooh, gas station snacks, donuts. Oh yeah, we have to grab this. Let's try this straw cheese donuts. What the hell is this? Blueberry. This looks so disgusting, guys. Blueberry almonds. Oh, this looks so disgusting. Big Mama's pickled sausage. What the hell is that? I'm not putting this in my mouth, so you know that.
So why are we getting it?
Because you are. I'm just dipped animal crackers. What the hell?
I've never tried those.
The American snacks are weird. Skittle gummies, sour edition. Yeah, we're gonna try that. Salted caramel Twix. Cookie dough Twix.
Potato chips.
Yeah, let's grab that. Chat, look how much stuff we've gotten so far. I think that might be it for the day. I want to get this, but I have a feeling that you will not see us ever again if we put this in our... We spent $102 on Wawa. 3 bags of snacks.
Thank you for shopping at Wawa.
Thank you, let me get Wawa. Hey. We're in the car right now. I'll see you guys when we get back at the Cribzo. Boom. All right, chat. We just got home. We are back. We got all the snacks laid accordingly. Thank you to this beautiful young lady. All right, we're back with a bunch of the snacks, as you guys can see. All right, we're gonna try the Rainbow Ice
Dippin' Dots.
Dippin' Dots. Big old spoon. What'd you rate that?
Those are good.
It's good?
10.
All right, we're gonna try the cookies and cream.
The best.
S.
S.
This is a good Oreo.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like an Oreo Blizzard from Dairy Queen.
Yeah, it's actually a really good cookies and cream. I'm a cookies and cream connoisseur. Next up, we got Snickers ice cream. Definitely some diabolical you know what I'm saying? Kind of half melted.
I don't really like that much.
It tastes like
awful.
It tastes like some dude literally got like peanut butter from Kroger or something and just threw them in there.
Yeah.
Just some vanilla ice cream. It's like a D. They're like a D. I could be like a D or something.
Like a middle.
Dynamite sticks. We're about to eat this, chat. Ugh. What's up? Ugh. Look how, dude, chat. Look how stale it looks. Like it looks so stale. Like it looks dried out. Like.
It gets like spicier. They're not awful.
They do have a little bit of a spice to it.
They're not awful.
They're not that bad.
I wouldn't eat them, but like.
It's like a C. It's like a low. It's like a C.
Yeah.
It's definitely like. Are we going with the classic Slim Jim? Classical Slim Jim, chat. You're first. Alright. How's that?
Go.
That is Slim Jim. Not too shabby. Someone threw it in my face when I was in jail or something. Call it B. Not too bad. Reese's Dipped Animal Cracker. Let's try it. Bro.
Double.
Bro. What the hell?
It tastes like the Reese's like pieces.
It's not bad. It's definitely like a good snack for like a kid or something.
Like
to shut them the hell up or something.
But Reese's are way better.
Reese's. I'm not a Reese's person.
I like Reese's. It tastes just like Reese's Pieces.
I just don't like. I'm not like a peanut butter fan. Like it's okay for a non-peanut butter fan. I'd probably give it like a C. Yeah, I'm not a peanut butter fan. Yeah, you know it's not that good when you don't even want to eat it again. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like that's how you know. Like it's real. All right, next up we have lime flavored cookies. It smells sweet. Like it smells
like a lemon cookie.
Yeah, that's what it smells like.
Yeah.
A lemon Oreo cookie. You ready?
I thought it would be worse. I don't like it.
Definitely would never put this shit in my mouth ever again.
The aftertaste is awful.
Yeah. Definitely like a F for sure.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Alright, next up we have crackling strip. I don't even know what this is, bruh. What the hell it is? Alright, crackling red pepper snacks.
Smell.
Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is this is disgusting. Oh god, it's disgusting. Here, show the camera. Show the camera. Chat, look at that. It's so disgusting. It's so disgusting. Oh, you hear it's that crack-a-lack in your mouth.
It has like no taste, but like it's disgusting, and you can smell it when you eat it.
This look like it came from a guy with like some like genetic disease, like like it just peered through his skin or his toe.
I don't like that.
Hell no, man, dude. It's like a fucking Z, bro. It's disgusting, bro. This is like made for truck drivers, bro. Like, if you hate your life, you definitely would eat this, right? Evil Eye Voodoo Chips. Ooh.
This guy's like barbecue.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Is that ketchup? Is that fucking ketchup?
I think it's ketchup.
What the fuck is? It's like ketchup. Minus D, like a last low tier D.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat them anymore.
Like a high, like a lowest of tier D. Ew, get this.
These are the same ones, but voodoo.
Voodoo inspired. Alright, what does it smell like?
They got a little kick to them.
Not
They're
bad.
not bad.
They're like a C.
Yeah.
Not something I would like eat on a regular. That was a little spice to them. And integrated. Big Mama pickled
No,
sausage.
show them the back of it.
Look at this. Oh my god, it looks disgusting. It's like pickled, so it's like, you know, juice and stuff. Look at this, bro. Jesus Christ.
That doesn't even look right.
Is it good?
Oh, maybe that's awful.
That's awful. The texture's so bad I couldn't even bite into it. I'd like
Ew,
peel the
that's
skin.
disgusting. F.
Yeah, that sausage
Hard
is
F.
like a F. Hard F, chat. Hard F.
Twix cookie dough.
Wow, it tastes like a fucking Twix. Like, no, you can taste it. It tastes like raw material. It just tastes like raw material. It doesn't taste like anything. It just tastes like ramen. Like they so. It tastes like they got gravel from like the side of a playground and just stuffed it in a Twix. Definitely like a C. Twix cookies and creme. Cookie and creme.
It's good.
Well, it tastes like a freaking Twix.
Yeah.
Like, it's like a B. Definitely edible.
Me.
Yeah, it's like an edible. Salted caramel. Salted caramel.
What? What?
By the way, this is like coming from a big Twix fan. Like I love Twix, like so. I give this one like a C.
I like it.
It's like, bro, they just put fucking sea salt on this shit. And call it like, that was definitely like a C. I don't know. It was trash.
Right. I don't like Skittles.
Show it to the camera.
I like it.
Yellow.
These are good. I'd say like a C. I don't like Skittles.
Blueberry freaking almonds, bro. Gee, this is like poison. This is like poison berries.
They smell like a blueberry muffin.
Yeah, they smell like blueberries. Here, chat. Look. Show them. It's like a poison seed that you get from like Dark Souls or something. question mark?
It just smells like hot dogs in there.
That was like a question mark flavor, like.
No, like the first little like taste was like blueberry good.
Yeah.
And then it like tasted like
Nuts.
shit.
Yeah.
Like
Something
like
else.
Gross. Pickles.
Oh hell no.
Oh snap, pickles. I love pickles.
This is good. This is good. I feel like an A.
A.
Mm-hmm.
If you like pickles, get you some.
This is good. Next we got pineapple filled cookies, chat. Pineapple filled cookies. Yeah. It's not bad. It's like a soft cookie.
I think they're good. They had strawberry ones. I think the strawberry ones would have been really good.
Mm. What'd you rate that?
Like a C.
Yeah. Definitely C.
Cream filled snowballs. Can you see this?
Oh hell no! That shit. I touched it and it touched me back. Oh my god! What the hell? Yo! This he throwing that thing back, bro. What the hell, chat? Why do I gotta eat it first?
Okay.
Your skin is falling off. It was like a chocolate marshmallow. Oh, I'm making my mouth itch, bro.
That's like a D.
Yeah, I gave it like a D. Try the Skittles gummy sour.
Sour gummies.
Yep. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Those are better than regular.
Yeah, they're better than regular Skittles.
Let me try some.
I think it's, yeah, they don't taste sour at all. I think it's because Skittles, like, they dry out your mouth, the regular ones. They dry out your mouth for you. It's like a hard candy.
I give this an A. I don't like Skittles, I like those.
Money Buddies Oreo chocolate cookies. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3,
2,
2,
1. Chocolate and popcorn flavor.
Yeah,
I don't know if that makes sense. They're not bad.
I kind of like it.
I think they're good. I like a B.
Yeah, it's like a B. I mean, some random snack that if you're eating on the couch watching a movie with your friends,
Yeah.
you wouldn't mind snacking on.
Like if someone had it, like if you had it.
Yeah.
I
It's
used
too poor.
to F these up at school lunch. Pepperoni pizza. Gorgeous.
Yeah. Get into it.
And then you use this as like your spreader. There's enough
Yo.
pepperonis for 3 on each if you didn't know that.
Boom. Da-na-na-na, pizza segment. Oh. What the fuck? Oh, no, bro. Wow.
It's not that good, but C, B.
Let's see. If you're a kid running around the goddamn playground eating that bullcrap, it's probably 8 to all about.
Plonky. Chunky.
Ah! Ew! Ew!
Raisins.
Peanuts and raisins, chat. Okay, presentation's not bad.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, show 'em.
Yeah.
Creamy up. Oh. Oh, brother. Ugh. You can see the peanuts locked in there, trapped in there like goddamn, what's it called? Tangled or something. Nasty. You ready?
Yes.
F, right?
Uh,
Look at her. Oh. Yes, buffalo Cheetos. I think they're just trying to make like a spicy chip that isn't like.
I like hot Cheetos.
Yeah, they're trying to make a hot Cheeto, but like
But
another way to
Yeah.
make money for them. This is disgusting. This is so disgusting. It's an F, bro.
I said like a C. Or
It's
a
like,
B.
it has like a.
I like it.
Why?
I make it good.
Oh my god. It has like a Z. Alright, what do we have next? What's next? Alright, Chad, we have like a few more left. Donuts and Wawa. And this. The last 3 snacks. Hopefully they like are decent. Fresh Wawa Oreo thing. How's that? How's that?
I don't like that at all.
It has a stale taste to
I
it.
don't like it. F.
F. That was disgusting.
Yeah.
Definitely edible, but like you just know you're gonna like acquire cancer afterwards. Strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Right. Oh, you're looking good ones. Hey?
You like it?
No, I don't. Dude, it has a generic like taste to it, like super generic ass taste, bro. Yeah, it's like a D.
Here, I
I think it's like a D or something. Alright. Viva la Mexico, y'all better do what's right, bro.
They smell like cinnamon toast and Taco Bell.
Yeah, they do. Look at that, chat. Not too bad. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself.
Mmm.
A.
A.
I give it like A.
These are like better
I'm so
than
burnt out
Taco
from
Bell.
eating. I like it when it's stale. That's definitely A. I guess that was the last snack, chat. If y'all enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up on the video. If you want to see us put more nasty things in our mouth. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.